Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can redeem gift cards / gift codes on Blizzard. So what you want to do is you can't really do it from your application. You'll have to do it from the online service that they have. Once you're inside your account, you want to just head over to Account Overview. Once you're inside Account Overview, over here, right on the left side, as you can see, redeem a code. So over here, you can type in your code and then click on Redeem Now, Redeem Code. And that's going to be it. Now, since I don't have a, code, it's not really going to let me redeem anything. So yeah, but if you have a code, that's how you do it. As well as on the other side, you can also add a payment method. You can purchase Battlenet balance, or you can just redeem a code, as I mentioned before. And that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.